Alright, this is how to find Japan's energy output.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
And again, in previous tutorials, we have this website, Japan's energy output, or the country profile. It's our data, our world in data. It's quite extensive because of all of these graphs. You can see per capita that the country Japan, what's the average energy consumption per person. As you can see, it's starting to be on a little bit of a downtrend, but it was on an uptrend from the late 60s and started to consolidate, etc. And then it's the same thing, how much energy does the country consume each year, etc. So not too bad. The next website is usdeadclock.org. This is just a more general overview. It's actually pretty simple. Japan is right here underneath Russia, above Brazil. As you can see, we don't consume, or they don't consume as much energy compared to, let's say, Russia, India, or the United States, or even China, more or less, give or take.